Hello friends, welcome to jQuery tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see some toggle effects in jQuery. These are three following toggle effects. First, hide and show toggle. This is the simple syntax for hide and show toggle. Dollar, then selector, dot, name of method which is toggle, and inside parameter you can pass speed and callback function. Next, fed toggle. Here this is the syntax for fed toggle, dollar, then selector, dot, name of method which is fed toggle, and inside parameter you can pass speed and callback function. And third one is slide toggle. Its syntax is same as fed toggle. Now let's see the program for this toggle effect. Okay, in this program we have this button which name is toggle, and we have this paragraph element. So whenever we will click on this button, at that time this paragraph will hide and show. Let's see the output. Okay, I am going to click on this toggle button. Okay, so now it's hidden, and next time it shows. So this is toggle effect, hide and show. Now let's see fed toggle. Just write here fed toggle. T is capital here. Okay, refresh the browser. Okay, so you can see fading effect here. This is fed out and this is fed in. Fed out and fed in. Okay, so this is simple. Now let's see the slide toggle. Save the program. Refresh the browser. This is slide up, slide down, slide up and slide down. Okay, so these all are three toggle effects. We can also pass timing here, 4000, which is very slow actually. Refresh the browser. Okay, it takes 4 seconds. Okay, change it here, only 1 second, and let's pass the call out function, call back function. Okay, anything here. Let's make something different. Dot toggle effect. Let's try this. Slide up and toggle. Okay, so this is little bit funny here. Slide up and toggle. Slide down and toggle. Or we can pass anything here. Let's just pass alert. Save the program. refresh the browser and toggle. Okay,